Oh, wow.
Well, it ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It don't know by now.
I know how to turn it off.
And it ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It don't matter anyhow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window when I'll be gone. Honey, you're the reason I'm traveling on. Don't think twice, it's alright. And it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. The light I never knowed. And it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still, I wish there was something you would do or say to try and make me change my mind and stay. But we never did too much talking anyway. So don't think twice, it's alright. And it ain't no use in calling out my name, babe, like you never did before. And it ain't no use in calling out my name, babe. I can't hear you anymore. I'm thinking and wondering, walking all the way down the road. I once loved a woman, a child I'm told. I give her my heart and she almost takes my soul. But don't think twice, it's alright. So I'm walking down that long, lonesome road, babe. Where I'm bound, I can't tell. But goodbye is too good a word, babe. So I'll just say fairly well. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You could have done better, but I don't mind. You just kind of wasted my precious time. But don't think twice, it's alright.